Bago siya matagpo ang patay sa isang bangin sa Tuba, Benguet kagabi, humarap pa sa Office of the Ombudsman Prosecutors si dating Public Works Undersecretary Catalina Cabral. December 3 nang ipasampi na siya ng Ombudsman Prosecutors para humarap sa inquiry kaugnay ng mga maanomalyang flood control projects.
She was willing to cooperate, but of course, during the preliminary talks, gusto lang muna niyang malaman kung ano yung mga information din laban sa kanya. Assuming that she was being guided also by her lawyers not to give too much information at this point, no, when she was invited for questioning or inquiry.
Nag-aalala ang ombudsman sa anumang impormasyong maaaring hawak ni Cabral noong buhay pa.
We need to preserve the integrity of all the information that she may have held while she was alive, and especially when she was the USEC of DPWH.
Kabilang sa mga gusto sanang masilip ng ombudsman ang mga gadget ni Cabral, kaya mag-a-apply ang ombudsman sa Sandigan Bayan ng cyber warrant para sa mga ito.
Kailangan po talaga natin makuha agad-agad ang mga gadgets na ito at the risk of them being altered, erased by family members or friends. And we afford all the respect and condolences to the family, the bereaved family, but there is this state interest that has to keep moving, and that is the investigation on the flood control.
Kabilang sa mga posibleng hawak ni Cabral doon ay ang listahan ng mga proponent o mga mampabata sa likod ng insertions na kanyang ginawa sa budget.
Siya po ang kausap ng maraming proponents dito sa mga projects na ito. So she was a very rich source of information with regards to who inserted certain projects which turned out to be ghost projects.
Pinag-aaralan na ng ombudsman kung paano hahabulin ang mga ari-arian ni Cabral na maaaring ill-gotten wealth at mula sa mga flood control projects.